Welcome back to another episode of Broke Mirror, guys. I just saw a car pop up that I've kind of bought one before, and it actually is what helped start this channel and actually made me a huge profit. And if I can get this car, I think I can make a lot of money on this flip. The problem is if I can get it. I just went up 10 minutes ago. He's already got quite a bit of interest, and someone is already supposed to be coming. I told him I'd come right now with cash instead of him waiting 2 hours for a maybe. He said yes, so I'm on my way. Like I said, if I can get it, I will make a lot of money, I think. But let's go see if I can get it.
All right, guys, it is the next morning and I bought this. This is a 2009 Volkswagen Routan. He ended up settling at $1,300. Really, the damage is up front. The overall exterior is pretty nice. Now for the interior and why I got this thing so cheap. This is why I got the car so cheap. It was a work van, but as you can see, it needs a lot of cleaning, a lot of detailing. Let's get at it. All right, guys, what I would like to do right now is the usual before and after videos. Let's get started.
Hey guys, I just want to hop in here quick. This is a combo video of about 4 or 5 separate videos that I went into extensive detail on how I fixed and repaired everything in those videos. That playlist of videos is actually down in the description. Is the first link in the description. It should have every single detail you're probably looking for, because I most likely missed some throughout this combo video, just to kind of make the video flow better and easier. And I'm sure some of you probably want those details. So if I missed them, I apologize, but they are in the playlist below. But this video is meant to just kind of zone out, enjoy, and watch the transformation of the vehicle. So with that said, back to the results.
All right, guys, I am back from trying to sell the van. It went really well. I ended up selling the van for $6,900. That is by far the most I've ever sold a car for. Also by far the most money I've ever made on a car. All said and done, I think I'm $1,909 into this car. I think I just made $4,991. Such a good win. Such a good feeling. I'm feeling amazing. But anyway, guys, I think that is going to wrap up this episode of Bro Premiere. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Later, guys.